Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all have seen previous videos on grammar topic, the sentence and noun. Today we are going to understand literature, lesson 1, Tempest, written by William Shakespeare. Children, William Shakespeare was born in 1564 and died in 1616. He remains to be the greatest British playwright ever. He wrote 37 plays and 154 sonnets. Though he freely borrowed his plots, his plays leaves a lasting impact on the reader's mind because of his poetry and his art of characterization. Tempest is also one of the famous tales of Shakespeare. So here we are with the characters of your story. Prospero, Duke of Milan, a very noble king. Miranda, daughter of Prospero. Antonio, brother of Prospero. Gonzalo, a faithful minister of Prospero. Ariel, a magical spirit. King of Naples. Ferdinand, son of King of Naples. In the opening scene of story, Miranda was standing next to the seashore and watching how a violent storm rocked the sea and dashed the ship into pieces. She was very upset at the thought of lost lives. Then her father told her that I have only bought this storm with my magic, but there is no harm done to the people on ship. When Miranda asked for the reason of storm, Prospero told, 12 years ago he was the Duke of Milan and he was having full faith on his brother Antonio and usually remained busy with his books of magic because he was fond of magic. His brother started thinking that he is Duke and planned to deprive him from his dukedom with the help of King of Naples, Prospero's enemy. But his kind minister Gonzalo helped Prospero to reach safely on an island. When Prospero reached to the island was enchanted by a wicked witch who had imprisoned the good spirits on trees. After the witch died, Prospero had released all the spirits with the help of his magic, and from that time all the spirits are obedient to his will. The chief of these spirits is Ariel. Soon Ariel appeared in front of Prospero and informed him that he made all the passengers of ship to be separate on different parts of island, and with his magic tricks each believed that others were dead and swallowed up by the waves, although they were all safe on the island. Prospero was very happy with Ariel. Then, with the order of Prospero, Ariel made Prince Ferdinand and Miranda to meet each other, and both of them fall in love with each other. Then Ariel changed himself into a monster and appeared in front of Antonio and King of Naples and made them realize what wrong they had done with Prospero and his daughter. They both realized their mistake and went to Prospero for the sake of forgiveness for their evil deeds. The noble Prospero forgave them and told the King of Naples that his son is alive. King of Naples was very happy and also gave permission to Ferdinand to marry Miranda. Prospero then told Antonio that all his crew and his ship were safe. All were happy at the end, and Prospero and Miranda returned to their kingdom. So, this is all, children, your story. Now, your homework. Write all the question and answer and reference to the context in your English literature copy. Children, now listen carefully the following instruction. Children, as I have told you before also that for English you have to make one copy. If you are not having any new copy, in that case you can do the work in your homework copy or any of the rough copy. But if you are making new copy, then you have to divide the copy into two parts. First part is for literature and second part is for grammar and writing skill both. In grammar, you have to write only the definitions in your classwork copy. This is also I have already told you before when I was giving you the instruction during the grammar video time. Okay. Now, please note down this, that your literature book lesson and its question and answers, all I have attached along with this video, you will find on your campus care only. Okay, your book lesson, those who are not having the book, you will find your book lesson, full lesson and the question answers, book exercise of that, and one more attachment is there for the answers, but you have to frame your answer properly. Okay, good day, children.